Good morning, first graders. Here is your Wonders reading lesson for Wednesday. And yesterday you practiced that OW sound spelled O-U or O-W. And you had a book called Jack Helps His Town that had lots of words with your OW sound spelled O-U or O-W. Now this story is from our Red Collection of Stories book that we have under our calendar in the classroom. And it has lots of words with that ow sound in it also. So I'm going to share my screen so you can see the story and follow along. And I want you to practice reading along with me and blending the words with me too. So I'm going to back up when I get there. I'm going to share it to you right now. All right, so here you see the story called Now What's That Sound? And remember, our question is, what are the sounds and sights that surround you? And I hope today you get a chance to go outside and maybe listen to some sounds and write down some of the sights you see. We'll talk about that at the end of this lesson. But I'm going to back up a couple pages here because I want to review real quick with you the words you need to know this week. And these are words that you looked at maybe in your Wonders reading assignment online. So our first word is the word color. This bird is a bright color. And you can read these with me if you know them. You can see my little pointing hand here moving on the screen. This is the word early. Early morning can be very quiet. The next card says instead. I try to whisper instead of shouting. The next word is nothing. There is nothing in that can. This bottom word is the word oh. Oh, our marching band has a great sound. Go to the top of the next page. This is the word thought. He thought the jet was much too loud. The next word is scrambled. Goats scrambled up the rocks. It means to go really fast. Scrambled eggs are when the egg is all scrambled up into pieces. You mix it all up. The last word is suddenly. The sky suddenly lit up brightly. All right, so you can go back and you can access this same book in your Wonders this week if you go to your icon on your dashboard that says books. And I think I assigned it too, but I'm not quite sure. So you can always read the book like this in your books icon on your student dashboard. All right, now I'm going to turn to the next page. This is that OU and OW.
OU, OW. The letters OU and OW can make the sound you hear in the middle of found and down.
All right, now I'm going to play these words down below. They all have OU or OW underlined in blue. And when you see that chunk, you need to say ow. So give these words a try.
Loud, now, ground, brown, shouted, growling, frowned, cloud, pound, mouse, around, towel.
Okay, the next page has two sentences, and you can see with the blue underlined chunks in those words, that's the ow part. Here we go.
We found a brown puppy in town. It does not growl or make loud sounds.
You try reading those by yourself. Good work. Now down below it says your turn. Let's listen to these words that will be in our book.
Your turn. Look for these words with OU and OW in Now What's That Sound? Now, sound, out, house, bouncing, shouted, wow, crown, down, sounds.
So you'll see those words in your story today called Now What's That Sound? All right, So here's the front cover of the front page of your story in your book. The genre is realistic fiction. Do you remember what that means? It's a story that's made up that could really happen. So this story is made up. It's not real, but it could really happen. So we call it realistic fiction.
Now, what's that sound?
I'm going to have to hide my controls here. There we go.
Tap, tap, tap. Rat-a-tat-tat. What's that sound? Asked Gilbert. It started early this morning. I thought it might stop, but it hasn't. Let's check out the garage, said Marta. I think Dad is making the sound.
So there's a problem in this story. These kids are hearing these sounds and they're not sure where they're coming from, but they're wondering if maybe Dad's making that tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat sound in the garage. What do you think that sound could be if it is Dad in the garage? Let's listen to the next page.
Dad was in the garage cutting a board with his saw. Zing, zing, zing. This is not the sound, said Gilbert. This sound is smoother.
So it really wasn't Dad making the, if you look at the top of this page over here, it wasn't Dad making the tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat sound, was it? Are you wondering right now what it might be? Do you have questions? What are you wondering? Or do you have a prediction? Are you predicting what might be making the tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat sound?
Let's find Gramps, said Marta. He might be making the sound. They quickly ran to the back of the house to find Gramps.
So what do you think? By looking at the picture, do you think it's Gramps making that sound, the tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat? If you said no, you don't think it's Gramps, did you use some evidence in the picture to help you? Some of you might have noticed in the picture it says swish, swish, swish. And that is definitely not tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat. Keep listening.
Gramps was sweeping the deck with a broom. Swish, swish, swish. No, this is not the sound, said Gilbert. This sound is much softer.
So it's not Gramps making the sound. I bet you're still wondering and having questions. What is making that sound?
Let's find Anna instead, said Marta. Maybe she's making the sound. They found Anna in the driveway. Anna was bouncing a ball. Bam, bam, bam.
So is it Anna? No, she's making what sound? Can you read the sound from the page she's making right now? Yeah, bam, bam, bam. It's the sound of the basketball. It's definitely not tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat. And if you look at this illustration on page 187, they're kind of scratching their heads and they're not really sure what to think.
No, this is not the sound, said Gilbert. This sound is slower. This is hopeless, sighed Marta. Tap, tap, tap. Rat-a-tat-tat. There it is again, said Gilbert. He looked up at the tallest tree. Suddenly, he shouted, "Oh, wow! It's a bird!" "Look at the color on its head," cried Marta. "It's red, like a red crown." The bird scrambled up and down the tree. Tap, tap, tap. Rat-a-tat-tat.
Did Gilbert and Marta find where the sound was coming from? Did they get their question answered? Yes, what was it coming from? Tell me. It's a bird. And do you know what that kind of bird is called that makes that sound? A woodpecker. Let's listen to the next page.
It's a woodpecker pecking for bugs, said Gilbert. Yes, said Marta, and nothing else sounds like it. Tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat.
All right, so they finally found out what the sound was that they were hearing. It wasn't Gramps, it wasn't Anna, it was a woodpecker. Let's say that sound again. Here it is at the top of this page, and it's at the very end of this last page. I want to say that sound with you. Let's read it. Tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat. All right, so our book was about sounds that we hear. And our whole week, we've been talking about sights and sounds around us. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to get outside today because it's very nice, and with your parents' permission, so they know where you are, because you need to stay around your house. But I want you just to go either sit on your front porch or in your backyard and take a piece of paper with you, and you can write down all the sounds that you hear while you're sitting outside. What sounds do you hear around you at your house? And if you want to draw a little picture to go with it, you can. You might hear or see a motorcycle go by, and you might hear that sound. What kind of sound does a motorcycle make? Could you make a word for that? What kind of sound does a bird make? Could you write a word for that? The words in our book that made sounds were like tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat. The broom went swish, swish. The saw from Dad went zing, zing, zing. And the basketball went bam, bam, bam. So you can think of words that would make the sound. What is the sound word? So go ahead, get outside today, make a list, and then if you can, have your parents take a picture of your list and send it to me so I can see what kinds of sounds you hear around you at your house. All right, I'm going to stop my screen share here. And I hope that you get out there and hear some sounds today. That's what I'm going to do too. See what sounds I can hear. All right, see you later.